Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on or off the power saving functionality on your Casio Pro watch. Today we're going to be looking at the module 3246 watch. This video will also work if you've got module 3173 as well. They're the same watch other than the inverted display. So what is power saving? What this does is if you turn this feature on after 60 to 70 minutes of not using the watch, basically your screen will turn off and it will save battery life for you. There's a couple actual different power saving functions on this watch. The first one is what's called a display sleep. Basically it means it'll turn off the display. You'll see a PS blinking here, but all of the functionality of the watch will still be operating in the background. Now after 6 to 7 days of the watch not being used, basically everything will turn off. All of the functions will be disabled and power saving will no longer be blinking. It'll basically look like the watch is off completely. Once it hits regular light, the watch will turn back on. So the reason you want to do this is if you're somebody who's not wearing the watch all the time and you want to store it, it helps preserve your battery life so you're not constantly having to recharge it. So I'm going to show you how to do it. If you look at my watch, you can see there's not a PS showing here, so you can tell right away that I don't have power saving on. If we want to turn it on or off, we're going to simply press and hold the adjust button. It's the bottom left button in the middle of the watch. We're going to hold it. Once we see our home city blinking, we're going to simply press the mode button, which is the bottom left button, a few times. Every time we press it, a different value will start blinking. These are the values that we can update in the settings mode. Eventually, you're going to get to a screen that says PS, which stands for power saving. You can see that mine is off. If I want to adjust it, I can simply press the altimeter button. It's the bottom right button. It's a toggle. So if I press it once, it turns on power saving. If I press it again, it'll turn it off. So on and so forth. Set it the way you want to. Once you've got it set, we can simply press the adjust button twice, and that will get us out of our settings screen. And now I've successfully turned on power saving mode on my Casio Pro watch. If you want to turn it off, you're going to do the same thing. You would just do the reverse and flip it to off. Anyway, I hope the video helps.